Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. Welcome back. Today you get me like this. I'm so sorry. But the reason you're getting me like this, my normal face, with all my redness and all that, you know, wrinkles and stuff, it's because I have to try new things. Because if I don't try new things, then my already dying channel is going to die more. Anyways, so I saw on the internet, specifically Instagram, and I know I'm a sucker for infomercials, I'm a sucker for QEC, I'm a sucker for stuff that I see online that I'm like, maybe that might work. And this particular product, I got it because I suffer from, you know, pores, rough skin, crocodile skin, all that good stuff. And I saw on Instagram and on Facebook the promo of a poreless primer. Yeah, so that primer is this one right here. Let me see if you can see it there. Let me see if it focuses. There you go. This one specifically, there was like the commercial had like someone with an orange. It was like an orange. And they rub the product on the orange. Weird skin that the peel has. You couldn't see that it was like blurred. And I was like, you know what? I'm pretty sure that's a gimmick, but you know what? I'm going to spend the $20. Actually, it was $14, but shipping and the taxes or whatever, it was $21. So I got it right here. It's a decent size. I mean, you know. I did kind of open it already. I looked at it. In a carton, and it comes like this. It did not have a seal. I smelled it and it smells really good. It smells like really skincare. Yeah, it smells really good. So it did not come with the seal like this. So I haven't tried it yet. I will be trying it first on my hand just in case I don't want it to burn my face. If it's like a weird product. So I'm going to put it on my hand first. It is called the W-Airfit Pore Primer. Now, on the box, it is in Korean. So I don't have the information of it, but I am going to search for it. Okay, so when you go to Google and you Google it, so yeah, here it says face makeup primer, pore primer, face makeup base, cover pores, oil control, moisturizing essence, concealer, foundation, pink. I mean, I paid $14 for it, and I just saw that you can get it for $11 at Amazon. So I mean, it looks just like it. So I'm hoping I'm not getting a dupe. So yeah, I got this. I'm going to first try it on my hand. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to apply it on my right side, which is your left, I believe. So I'm going to do this side with the W-Fit Pore Primer and the other side with my regular routine. Okay, so we're going to do this side first. And I'm going to do my hand first. So I'm going to do it right here. Supposedly you can diminish like the fine lines and like all that stuff. So I do have some stuff on my hand. Let me see if it focuses. I don't know if you can see it there. Okay, so I'm going to try it on my hand first. I'm going to press a little bit of it right here. Some came out. And I'm just going to rub it in. Let's see. It feels soft. Ooh, it dries down really fast. I don't know if it actually did something. I mean, it looks kind of blurred. I don't really know. I'm going to have to try it on my face. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to put it here. I I got fine lines over here. Let me see. I haven't even done my eyebrows, but my eyebrows look crazy. It smells really good, so yeah. Are my pores blurred? They kind of look like they are right here. I'm not sure. I mean, it feels so soft. Okay, so I did that. Now I'm gonna go with my regular, I'm gonna clean my hand really quick. Now I'm gonna go with clean hand. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my regular e.l.f. putty primer. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this side. Listen, I don't wanna get my face all burned off because I mix products. What do you think? I think that this side looks more blurred. It's strange. I don't know, but I'm thinking that this actually does work. Now, we gotta see how the foundation sets. So that's where we're gonna notice the real difference. Because whenever I put my foundation, I'm gonna use a regular foundation, like drugstore foundation. I'm gonna use the Super Stay Full Coverage that we have, the Maybelline. So we're gonna be using that one. It's gross, I'm sorry. We're gonna be using this one on both sides. So let's see. First, we're gonna go with the side that has the new primer, the W-Airfit Pore Primer. It's on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and pour a little bit. And let's bounce. Okay, now we're gonna go on the other side, which is the one with the poreless primer from e.l.f. I am going to set my face, contour, do my eyes, do my eyebrows, do everything, and I'll be right back. So I am back. It's been, I would say it's been 2 hours since I did my base, my makeup, everything on top. You know, all the good stuff that goes on top of the primer. Now, what do I think about the W-Airfit Pore Primer? You know, I'm going to get really close and personal. So, this is what it is. This side has this one. This side has this one. And let me tell you something. You can notice the difference. I'm not saying that this is the best product in the world, but I'm changing it. I'm using this one now because you can notice the difference. My face is rough. Like when I tell you it's rough, it's like, you know, you get start noticing wrinkles and all that stuff. And I'm going to get really close so you can see. Okay. So if you look on this side, this is where I have this one. On this side right here, it looks smoother right here. Now look on this side where I use the regular pore primer. I mean, you can notice the difference, like right here. I mean, come on. Anyway, so yeah, I'm really digging this product. It did work. You have it here on this side. Right here is where I really notice it. You know, I don't know if you can really see it there. I think you guys can. It looks smoother than this side. Even with the highlight, I mean, come on. Side with the putty primer from e.l.f. and the side with the W-Airfit product. I mean, come on. So yeah, I approve it. If you want to try it out, you're more than welcome to. It's not expensive. I'll put the link below where I bought it. And I hope you like it. I think it works. So, it's not like it shows on the video, like everything disappears. No, it's not like that. That's the gimmicky part of it, but it actually does work. I love it. I love it. and I'm definitely using it in the future on my makeup kit. And of course the putty primer, I will be using it because I'm going to finish this one and then I'll start using this one. Maybe I'll mix them, I don't know, I'll try to do something crazy. But thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and make sure you click on that notification bell so whenever I upload a brand new video you get notified. Yes, and this video I'll try to upload it sometime next week. So thank you so much for watching. Love you very much. Bye.